Good morning. A blessed Monday, everyone. It's 7:30. Um, Actually, nagising ako ng 5:30, but it's too early to get up. So it's 7:30 now. It's time for me to go to the market. Ayan. Pagdingon ko dito, wala na dito yung aking chop-chop. Asa na yan? So I have to first change the cover because the balahibo of the dog is too marami. Chop chop! Where is chop chop ba? Ay! Here. Chop, halika. Saan galing? Say hi, say hi. Come here, come here. No. Uy. Say hi. Say hi first, no? Good morning. Say hi. Ganda. Shush, shush. Say hi to them. Nagagalit. Ano kayang... May ano yata, topak, oh. Ayan, galit siya. Ayan, naglalaro siya. Ganyan lang, pagising ng umaga, prepare for breakfast, coffee lang naman with the bread. Then I go to the market every day talaga. I'll make sure to cook our own food because parang hindi ko naman bet yung nagbibili-bili sa karinderya. So I really have to cook our food. Chef! Say hi, come here. Hi! How are you today? Huh? Oh, say hi. Hi. Oh, no. Mom now? What's that? Shush. Oo. Ito. We'll market your food, ha? Ayan. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye-bye. God bless everyone.